Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use C++ vector. Vector is a data structure that can be accessed by index like an array, but vector size can be dynamically adjusted during runtime. To declare a vector, you give it a type and give it a name for the variables. You also need to include a vector library so that you can use the vector type. To add an element to the end of the vector, you use the pushback method. To remove an element from the end of the vector, you use the popback method. You can check the vector size using the size method. You also can change the vector size during runtime using the resize method. To print the vector elements, we normally use for loop because there are many of them, and you can access the vector element using the index just like a normal array. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.